Hey guys, Jeff with West Guy Designs. So we have two trucks here. We just finished up. Got another couple in the shop. Maybe we'll get together where we get them all together out here. This one's a 1794. This one's a TRD off-road. This one has a set of factory TRD Pro BBS wheels on it. This one's got a 1-inch wheel spacer on it. They both are running 37s. This one is running a Method 318 in the bronze finish. This one is at a, let's see, it's a plus 18 offset on this one. They're both run 37, 12.5 by 18s. This one is the Trail Grappler. Much more aggressive tire, definitely rougher driving on the road. This one is the new Recon Grappler here. More of a hybrid tire. You can see the tread, a lot more surface area on the ground, a lot smoother ride. It does look like it's got an aggressive sidewall on it. But this truck here looks really good with the kind of the side poke here with that 1-inch wheel spacer. This does have our clearancing kit. Actually, both of these trucks have our, where we cut off on the front of the horn for the safety mount. We cut the front off at about 1 inch on both, and then we block it back off. We go back, we grind it, we clean it, and we paint it. And so when you look in there, it still looks factory and super clean. We button both the fenders back, the liners. We don't like to cut the liners on these trucks. We like to pin them back the best we can so it looks like they're factory in here. Getting close here so you can see, but the frame mount looks really nicely done. We pin back the liner back here so it's pulled back so we can clear the edge of the tire at full steering lock. Up in the front here, we actually just trim it down. There's a section right here. We trim it off here, and then we actually trimmed on this one. We trimmed the lower part of the air dam because it has it. And that's to clear for the edge of the tire at full steering lock. So we do that just so we know that we're not going to have any rubbing issues. When you look at this truck, it looks a little bit lower than this truck over here. This one has the wheels and tires in the back of it. So it actually is pulling down on the back and actually lifting a little bit on the front. And you can kind of see that here when you kind of look at them, just appearance-wise when I look at them. But both trucks have totally different look with them. As far as the way they are, but they both look really good in their own way. The chrome and the green on this one look good with the black wheels, and then the Lunar Rock on this one with the bronze wheels just look awesome. So just thought these are really nicely done together. We wanted to share that with you guys, and you know, we want to hear what you guys have to say. And I really like that wheel. That wheel and that finish looks really good with that. So we want to hear what you guys have to say, what your thoughts are, what you're looking for, what we can do to help you guys, whether it's in something we do or something that you're looking to do that we don't do, but maybe can give you some advice on it. So again, we appreciate you guys, and thanks for watching our stuff, and let us know if there's anything we do for you. Bye-bye.